Have you ever wondered what makes Lease Ezikan Academy a standout in modern education? It's a unique blend of traditional values and modern pedagogies focused on real-world skills. Imagine a school where students don't just learn about the world, but actively engage with it. What's truly fascinating about Lease Ezikan is their emphasis on personalized learning paths. They understand that students can't be pigeonholed into one-size-fits-all education systems. Uh, through adaptive learning technologies, each student gets a tailored educational experience, catering to their strengths and challenges. One of the biggest pain points for students and parents alike is the lack of practical application in most curriculums. At Lease Ezikan, the curriculum is replete with hands-on projects that mimic real-world problems. And this means that students graduate not just with theory, but with tangible experience. Let's talk numbers. Schools like Lease Ezikan often report a 30% increase in student engagement and success rates due to these hands-on methodologies. And that's not just a statistic. It represents real kids with futures forever changed by impactful education. And pro tip, always look for schools with strong hands-on elements. The faculty at Lease Ezikan are not just educators, they are innovators. With backgrounds in various professional fields, they bring a wealth of real-world experience to their teaching. And imagine learning coding from someone who's worked in Silicon Valley. And that's the sort of expertise you find there. A big challenge in education is bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Lease Ezikan tackles this with mentorship programs. This allows students to learn from industry professionals beyond the classroom walls, giving them firsthand career insights and advice. The Lease Ezikan recognizes that learning doesn't stop once students leave school. They offer extensive extracurricular programs that allow students to explore their interests deeply, from robotics to drama. There's something for everyone, building well-rounded individuals prepared for any path. Here's a thought. How many schools can boast about their green initiatives? Lease Ezikan has some pretty impressive sustainability programs. They incorporate eco-friendly practices on campus and educate students on environmental responsibility, preparing them to be the change makers our planet needs. And parents constantly grapple with ensuring their child's education is holistic and future-oriented. Lease Ezikan's comprehensive wellness programs cover both physical and mental health, teaching students not just how to be smart, but how to thrive. It's education of the whole person. One thing rarely considered in education is adaptability. Lease Ezikan thrives on feedback loops, constantly evolving its curriculum based on student feedback and global trends. This ensures not just relevancy, but also maximum impact in preparing students for future challenges. Lease Ezikan also puts significant emphasis on diversity and inclusivity. They understand the importance of a multicultural environment where students learn to appreciate different perspectives. It's not just about tolerance, but genuine appreciation and celebration of differences. I've been intrigued by how Lease Ezikan embodies lifelong learning. Whether a student or alumni, the Academy's network provides continuous learning opportunities. As Scott from Portland, I can tell you, in today's fast evolving world, that kind of
educational foresight is invaluable.